If you're experiencing approval delays on Yahoo Mail, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and expedite the approval process. Step 1. Check your spam folder. Sometimes, approval emails can end up in your spam or junk folder. Make sure to check these folders to see if the email you are waiting for has been misdirected. Step 2. Verify your email address. Ensure that the email address you provided is correct. A simple typo can prevent you from receiving important approval emails. If you find an error, update your email address in the relevant settings. Step 3. Resend the approval request. If you have not received a response, try resending the approval request. Look for an option in your Yahoo Mail settings or the application you are dealing with to resend the request. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Yahoo Mail customer support. Provide them with details about the delay and any relevant information that may help them assist you more effectively. Step 5. Check for service outages. Sometimes, delays can be caused by service outages. Visit Yahoo's official website or social media channels to check for any announcements regarding service disruptions that may be affecting email approvals. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve approval delays on Yahoo Mail efficiently. If problems continue, consider exploring additional support resources or forums for further assistance.